guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this glow text effect on CapCut PC, but just like the outline portion of it. Go to text and add in your default text. I'm just going to type Valorant. Also going to change the font and adjust the font size, and you're going to select this one. You can also change the color of the glow here. So for instance, you want it to be like this, let's say pink purplish glow. You can also adjust the thickness of it. Then you're going to select glow, and it's going to add in like another layer of that glow. Just adjust it to your liking. Right click, create compound clip, then go to blend mode and choose either brighten or screen. And there you go, super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!